this video, I am going to be trying out an American accent. I've actually wanted to do this video for a really long time. It's something I've always wanted to do because I feel like everyone does this regardless of where you're from. I feel like everyone always kind of speaks in different accents, like for fun. Like when I'm in conversation with my boyfriend or with my friends, like I'll slip into different accents. So I will be speaking in my normal voice, and then I'll go a little bit northern, like not northern. That sounds a bit Scottish, don't it? Crikey. I'll be talking in my usual voice, and then I'll go a little bit northern, like I'll start talking a little bit like northern. Can't really do it in a whisper. It don't really sound right in a whisper. It sounds a little bit like an Irish accent. It sounds a little bit like an Irish accent when I whisper it, but in my normal talking voice, I often go into like a northern British accent or an American accent. Like in the middle of talking, I'll just be like, "Oh my god," and then we'll just start talking in an American accent, and it will just be a thing, right? But I feel like a lot of people do that, regardless of where you're from. So there you go. So yeah, I've actually wanted to do this video for so long, but I felt way too scared to do it. Well, way too kind of like anxious and like self-conscious to do it, because I just thought like, oh my god, they'll just laugh, and that's fine. Like if you're laughing, that's fine, because like I know a lot of you guys are American. Like a lot of my audience are from the US, so you guys are probably like, oh my god, Libby, that is not what we sound like, and that is completely fine. However, I was so nervous, but the reason why I'm filming this video is because very recently Mia ASMR did this video, but reversed, because she is American, and she did like she tried out a British ASMR like accent, and it was so good. Like her video in general, I mean, I love all of her videos, literally every single one I watch, and I love, but I watched that video and I was like, oh my god, like she's actually super good. And like as a British person, it's always kind of funny when an American does like a British accent, because normally everyone goes so posh, or like overly articulated, but I am very well aware that when you're listening to your not native, no, when you're listening to someone doing your accent, you can pick up exactly what's wrong. So I am well aware that you guys that are American watching me are gonna be like, oh my god, Libby, what are you doing? You do not sound American in the slightest. Like, I completely understand that. It's all for fun and games. However, saying that, Mia's video was so good. Like, her British accent was probably one of the best British accents that I've heard from like an American person. It was really good. She sounded actually like my friend, just like a normal British gal. So I was super impressed by her video, and I commented that I loved it, and I wanted to do my own version, but I was so scared, and she commented back, and she was just like, just do it. She was like, it'd be cool to do it. So here I am trying to do it. So yeah, I don't even, I am very well aware that the USA is an absolutely successful ASMR creators are American, and I think that is just because the American accent is super suited to ASMR, and I think that the reason for that is, you know, the general American accent is less harsh. I think it sounds pretty relaxed. You know, if you compare an American accent or my crappy attempt at an American accent to my actual British accent, the British accent really does pronounce the words so much, and the way I can explain it is that when I talk in my actual accent, we really speak at the front of our mouths. Like when we talk, like it's all very much in the front of your mouth, and when you talk and when you say your words, it's all very much here. Whereas I feel like with an American accent, it's a little bit further back in your mouth, like it's less here and it's more like back. It's more relaxed, you know. I think you use your tongue a little bit more, and you just don't make those really sharp noises with your mouth like that, because you don't need to, because it's back. I like how I'm talking like I'm some kind of accent specialist. I am not at all. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm just explaining like my personal experience talking. So yeah, in some, I personally believe that the American accent is like the nicest one for ASMR, but saying that, a lot of my favorite ASMR creators are British or not, or European or whatever, you know. Like ASMR Glow is super popular. I love her so much, and she, you know, I think she's French, but she has a super unique accent, I think, because I think she was born in France, and France is like, French is her mother tongue, I think, but I believe she's lived in England. She's lived in England, and I also believe she's lived in other countries. I feel like she's lived like in the Middle East. I don't know if I'm completely making that up, but I feel like I watched in a video of hers before that she lived in like a Middle Eastern country. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. So yeah, her accent is super mixed up, because sometimes she sounds pretty British, other times she sounds a little bit more American, and other times she sounds like super freaking French. So, you know, who knows? But I love her voice. I think it's amazing. It's so unique. And then also I love the traditional British accent. You know, you got Whispers Red ASMR, who I love. Lottie loves ASMR. You got ASMR Mills, who I actually don't think is on YouTube anymore. I think her channel is still there, but I don't know if she uploads anymore, which is super sad, because I love her videos, and we started, you know, I think she started her ASMR channel like a few months before me, and we were friends like right off the beginning, you know. Like we had like 50 subscribers. I had like 50 subscribers, so she had like 200 subscribers, and like we were talking and stuff, so she did super well. Her channel is so popular, which is amazing. But she hasn't uploaded in ages, so hopefully she comes back someone. But yeah, you know, like I love like so many different accents, and for me it's the type of ASMR that I like, not necessarily the accent. Whereas I do know that, you know, some people actively seek out a certain accent, which is awesome, obviously. You know, I've had some of you guys tell me that you only really enjoy ASMR made by UK creators, and that's awesome, obviously. And then I know that some people actually only really like listening to American accents as well with ASMR. So it's completely like a personal personal preference. But for me, yeah, it's less about the accent and more about the type of ASMR. So the type of ASMR that I enjoy the most is very much similar videos to the ones that I make, because I make the videos that I would like to watch as a consumer, as a viewer. But yeah, just, you know, pretty average, like pretty normal setups. Obviously, I love a Blue Yeti. I think that the Blue Yeti is genuinely the most superior ASMR microphone. Most ASMR creators use the Blue Yeti, although obviously like the big YouTubers like GB and ASMR Glow and other people use is it like the Rode microphones. I don't even know what I'm saying. The big ASMR creators use like super expensive, amazing equipment that I love, but I actually still prefer it when they use the Blue Yeti. It's super weird. I don't know if it's like a little like obsession thing. Like my ears are like, I will only listen to the Blue Yeti. Anything else can leave. So yeah, I don't know, but you know, that's the type of video that I like. Super simple, Blue Yeti, no like crazy lighting. I do quite enjoy like an LED color moment, like Softly Sweet ASMR. If you know her, she's insane, and she uses like an LED light in all of her videos, and I love that. I think it's amazing. I think my ultimate preference for ASMR videos is like a darker light, like Mia ASMR. I think her setup is amazing, and I'm trying out new setups all the time because I'm like, I can never decide. I've switched up my setup a lot over the year or so that I've had the ASMR channel, and as you can see, I am trying out like a different kind of vibe today. And yeah, I personally really like the darker vibe. I think it's more relaxing. I sometimes think that, you know, I am using a ring light now. I am using one, but sometimes when you have natural lighting and a ring light, I feel like, oh my god, it's so bright. It's so bright. How can anyone find that relaxing? But actually, you know, you guys all like different things, which is super cool. Like, you know, I've had some videos that have been really dark lighting and people have been like, I hate it, I can't see you, I don't like it, I prefer like when you're lit up a bit more, you know. And then sometimes when I do like more lit up videos, people are like, no, I like it darker, and then I use LED color, and some people are like, oh my god, I love the color, and then other people are like, oh my god, turn the color off, which is completely fine. I love it. I love that everyone likes different things. I will never feel frustrated by it. My answer to that is I will just change up my setup. You know, sometimes I'll have super dark lighting, sometimes I'll have brighter lighting, sometimes I'll have colored lighting, you know, and that way everybody gets a little bit of something that they like. So that's kind of my plan, but you know, I'm always open to suggestions. So if you guys would prefer me to have like a single setup that I use all of the time on the, you know, life or death, always use the same one, then that is completely fine. But you know, I think most of you like it when I change it up a little bit. I think most of you like it when I change it up a little bit. So yeah, but yeah, we'll see about that. Is there anything else that I was gonna say? Not really. I think that, you know, what do I think? I don't know. That thought went. Let's have a drink. This is just Coke Zero. Don't get excited. It's not like a cocktail or anything. Oh my god! It just dripped the condensation. Cleo, the condensation. Cleo. Oh my god, Cleo. If you know what your true friend, if you know what I'm referencing. Anyway. Does anybody else get like super bugged out when you taste a drink and it doesn't taste anything like the drink that you put in there? I'm like, why is it spicy? I don't know. That's weird. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Anyway, what was I gonna say? I don't know. One thing that I'm gonna end this video on, the last conversation that I'm gonna end this video on, is that I love you guys and I am trying, as I said, and I think it's my last video. I don't know which order I'm gonna put these videos up in, but I am currently trying to set up like a proper upload schedule for ASMR for YouTube. I am trying to think of some of the days of the week that are best for uploading. You guys, please, if you care at all about what days I upload, then comment down below, because I would love to hear your ideas and your preferences. I think that, before, I think I uploaded like Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. I think that's what I used to upload, and that works for me. Does it work for you guys? Would you prefer like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, or like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? No, nobody would freaking watch my videos if I uploaded that much. But I am going to promise myself that I will get back into the upload schedule that you guys deserve, that you guys joined my channel for, because when I gained most of you guys as subscribers, I was uploading like 4 times a week, which is great, which is amazing, but I want to get back to that. I don't want to just be posting once every like 3 weeks, because that's not fair for you guys. You deserve the consistency. So that's what I'm working on. I've now implemented that organization into my Patreon. So my Patreon, I do 4 extra ASMR videos on my Patreon every single month. Never miss a month. Well, I think I've done it once, but then I gave you guys 5 videos the next month. Like, I will never ever let you go without your videos that you've paid for, obviously, because it's a service. So yeah, on Patreon, I have decided that I will upload a video every single Wednesday, or if there's 5 Wednesdays in a month, then 4 of those. So every Wednesday basically I will upload a video on my Patreon. So I'm super excited about getting that organized, because that just helps me mentally with like filming videos and stuff. So if you are interested, little plug, if you are interested in extra ASMR videos, then you can join my Patreon for $5 a month, and that will get you 4 extra ASMR videos that you get to choose. Every single month I hold a voting poll about which videos you guys want to see. So I'll give you an option of like 6, 7 videos, and then you guys get to pick 4 that you want to see, and then obviously the most popular 4 that month will be filmed. So recently I've done what I eat in a day. That's super popular on my Patreon. I've done daily vlogs, which I love filming, ASMR daily vlogs about showing you my day-to-day life. I've also done a series on my Patreon of personal story times, which is a little bit scandalous. No, it's not scandalous, but my personal story times are specifically for my Patreon, because they are personal. Obviously, they are more intimate conversations about what I've done, what I'm doing, past events, personal details of my life that I'm not 100% comfortable with putting on the mainstream internet. So I've done a series of those, and they've been super popular on my Patreon, so I'll continue doing those. mouth sounds videos, makeup videos, shopping videos, literally so much. You can sign up to my Patreon and then you'll see. No kidding. But yeah, what was I even talking about? I was talking about consistency. So yeah, that is what I've implemented on my Patreon, and I want to implement it on my main YouTube channel because I feel like it would just be better for us all. So let me think. Comment down below if you have a preference for days of the week, or if you just whatever, you know, let me know. But yeah, I think I'm probably, oh my god, probably, I think I'm probably going to stop there now because you guys have probably had it up to here with my fake American accent. I bet it got bloody annoying. I'm back, hi. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, it was just a bit of fun. Please don't take it seriously. If you hate it, I will absolutely never do it again, don't worry. If it made your ears bleed, then we'll just forget about it. We'll forget this ever happened. If by a very small chance you enjoyed this video and the accent, then comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see any other accent videos. I can maybe attempt to do something else, like Australian. Bruce, Sheila, there's a kangaroo in the backyard. Wow, that was so stereotypical. Any oodles. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are doing so well. I hope you're staying safe. I love you all,